Hi everyone, welcome to my very first video in English here on YouTube. I'm so excited to start this journey with you all. For those of you who don't know me yet, I already have another channel where I create content in my native language, which is Portuguese from Brazil. But I thought, why not challenge myself and reach a broader audience by starting a channel in English as well? So here I am. This channel is going to be a space where I share not only my personal journey but also tips, challenges, and maybe some budget hacks that will definitely come in handy for many of you. I know how thought it can be to manage money, especially when you're living abroad like me or just trying to save as much as possible. So, I'm planning to create some videos around budgeting and meal prep, like surviving with only £10 per week for meals. Sounds crazy, right? But I really want to show that it's possible to eat well without spending a fortune. My other channel, for those who are curious, is focused on helping Brazilians who want to move abroad, especially to the UK. I talk about everything from the immigration process to cultural differences, and even tips for finding a job or renting a place here. But don't worry, on this new channel, I will keep things very international and practical for everyone. Now, aside from the £10 a week challenge, I have so many other ideas that I would love to share here. For example, affordable recipes that don't compromise on taste or nutrition. A day in the life series where I show how I balance work, hobbies, and living on a budget. Exploring local markets and finding the best bargains. And even some food reviews where I try out meals under £5 to see they worth it. Now, let's talk about something that I know a lot of people who live abroad can relate to: the challenge of starting over in a new country. Moving abroad is an incredible adventure, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Honestly, one of the hardest parts, sorry, my English guy, I'm still studying. It's being far away from family and friends. When I first moved to the UK, I didn't realize how much I would miss the little things like sharing a meal with my family, hearing familiar sounds, or celebrating holidays in a way that feels like home. And as well, using flip flops. Oh my god, this is something that I really miss. I use flip flops at home, but it's very normal in my country that we go with flip flops everywhere and we step on grass. It, I don't know, it makes you feel alive. Sometimes life here can feel really lonely. It's not easy to build a new support system when you're in a different culture with people who speak a different language. And even though technology makes it easier to stay connected with people back home, it's not the same as being there in person. I think a lot of people see moving abroad as this glamorous thing, and in some ways it is. Now I have MacBook, I have iPhone, things I would not be able to have in Brazil. But there's also the side no one talks about: the emotional challenges. Adapting to a new culture, figuring out how to do everything on your own, and sometimes feeling like you don't belong. There are days when you question if all of this worth it. But at the same time, I've learned so much about myself during this journey. You become stronger and more resilient, independent. It's a journey of personal growth, and every challenge teaches you something new about who you are and what you're capable of. If you're someone who's thinking about moving abroad, just remember, it's okay to struggle. It's all part of the process. That's also why I wanted to create this channel. I want it to be a space where I can share tips and experiences that might make your life abroad a little easier. Weather advice, on budget, and honestly, I also want to learn from you guys. I know so many of you have stories and tips to share, and I would love for this to become a place where we can support each other. So, what do you think of these ideas? Let me know in the comments what kind of content you would like to see here. Do you have a favorite budget challenge or recipe I should try? Or maybe you want to see how I shop for food with a tight budget. I would love to hear from you because this channel is as much about you as it's about me. So, thank you so much for watching my first video in English. It's a bit scary to step out of my comfort zone, but I think it's going to be worth it. If you enjoyed this video or think the upcoming content will be helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. I'm so excited to have you here with me and on this journey, and I can't wait to see you where you take us. Bye for now, and I will see you in my next video. And again, I'm really sorry about the English. I feel that I still have a lot of accent and I don't pretend to get rid of, but I still make some English mistakes. I'm going to school, and if you guys want to know a little bit about this as well, how did I learn English, the English I know now, or schools, or anything related to London, UK, or anything else, please put in the comments below. I'm gonna leave my email as well for you guys to contact me at any time for any tips. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.